There's this phenomenon recently na nangyayari ever since sa panahon pa rin na LJ Gonzalez na whenever it's an FEU guard, they seem to play so well against Ateneo. LJ Gonzalez, John Ray Pasaol, and Joric Bautista sa nangyari nga kanina. We saw that corner 3 that happened a while ago, na Joric na naman na Ateneo. Just like in past seasons, na LJ, na John Ray, na Joric. It's something that's been common when it comes to FEU guards, just becoming even greater players whenever it's Ateneo. They're already great, but they somehow become the top point guards in the UAP. They already are in the upper echelon. They just somehow become the best when it's against Ateneo. Ang ganda pinakita ng FEU. Just like that, they're back in the Final Four race. Anything can happen. Paulit-ulit na natin sinasabi that anything can happen here in the second round. There's nothing set. UP also beat NU a while ago when we thought that maybe NU could get them the second time around, pero hindi pa rin. Joric na naman Ateneo. They're in a free fall. It's 4 straight losses now with NU coming up. You don't know how that's gonna happen. It could be 5 straight losses, right? And FEU, they're in a good place. They could shock all of us this year.